First, let's talk about microcontrollers. A microcontroller is an integrated circuit that combines a microprocessor, memory, and peripheral interfaces on a single chip. It's designed to manage specific operations in embedded systems, such as processing sensor data or controlling outputs like LEDs and motors. Next, we have embedded systems. An embedded system is a combination of hardware and software integrated into a device to perform specific tasks autonomously and within real-time constraints. Examples include simple alarms and more complex systems. Finally, let's discuss systems on chip, or SoCs. An SoC is a chip that integrates a microcontroller and advanced peripherals like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, reducing the need for external components. SoCs are used in devices like tablets and smartphones. In summary, while microcontrollers, embedded systems, and SoCs have distinct roles, their distinctions can sometimes blur as technology evolves. Microcontrollers and SoCs are becoming more advanced, incorporating more features and capabilities. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.